Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm inviting you on a journey of self-love and skin nourishment. This aloe vera plant is packed with hydration. It's going to help to moisturize the skin, keep it hydrated. It soothes the skin and is packed with anti-inflammatory properties, which speeds up that healing process for wounds, cuts, and burns. We have the aloe that's rich in vitamins. And that also provides so much nourishment, and it's like so cooling when I put it on my skin. I put it on my legs, my face, and it feels really good. So you all have to try that. Now when we're cutting up this ginger, we're going to also keep that skin. You can use the ginger root or you can use ginger powder. So now we have the olive oil, the avocado oil, the ginger, all packed with compounds that help with the anti-inflammatory skin, scars, blemishes, packed with all types of vitamins. This is what I use. Also, the raw sugar is that's going to exfoliate the skin. I crush up a vitamin C pill. Now, let's talk about this flaxseed. Now, this flaxseed is another skin healing property. It helps improve your health overall when you're eating it, but also this can actually help with hydrating your skin. Now we're getting ready to use the Ninja IQ. You can find this in my Amazon store also, pinned down in the comments. I'm going to add, along with our products that we just previously used, some water. Right here I also have some orange peel, and we're getting ready to add some more anti-inflammatory products, which is honey. And honey is excellent for calming the skin. It can be irritated. It's good for acne. But again, I am not a doctor. These are just things that I've used for decades. I'm going to mix that, and I'm going to add a little water in there, about 3 tablespoons. Olive oil or avocado oil. That's going to help with the consistency. We are going to follow up with some more vitamin C in there. And if you want to add yogurt, you can do that also. But for this is what we are going to do. And mix it up. As you can see, there is a timer on here. The timer automatically stops at 1 minute, but I pretty much stop and go to kind of get the paste consistency that I want. Now with this Ninja mixer, this mixer I use for soup, I use for my tea, I use for mash. It is very good. It's commercial grade for me. So you can also check that out in the comments. Let's see. Look at that. Look at that glow. It's bright. See the consistency? Now, once you put that in the refrigerator, it is going to thin out a little bit. So now we are in the bathroom. We're going to put that right on a white cloth. I suggest you use a cotton white cloth. Now with this mask, I'm using the turmeric, and that is going to help even out your skin tone, brighten your complexion, give you that healthy glow. I did not put it inside of our mix today for the simple fact of I wanted you to see how you can apply it without putting it inside of your mixture, and how you can actually use it as an exfoliator, and it's great for sensitive skin. As you're using your white cotton cloth to hydrate your face with the mask, just think about your day. You know, think about self-care, that you're just not putting on a mask, but you are creating a moment of care. That's how I like to feel about it. You're going to use those circular motions and use whatever type of soap that you have. I personally use the Sensitive Skin Dove soap. I've been using that forever. And that's going to clean off any excess mask and turmeric that you have on your skin. You're going to repeat this a couple of times to make sure everything is off. Right there, you're going to use cool water, and that's going to seal in and your pores, and then you're going to pat dry your face, right? Not wipe it and scrub it. Witch's hazel is the best extergent. I've used that for decades. And you see that picture right there, it looks as though your face was clean, but it really isn't. So when you're using that, that is great to make sure that everything is off. And always use, you see how I'm doing that with the motions of my skin, the motions of my face? That's how you are supposed to wipe your face, so that you won't get all of those bumps and acne and everything like that. Now I'm going to repeat to make sure that I have everything off.
Okay, you get it all off? Hey, you can get it off.
Now it's time to rinse again with cool water and patting your face. Never wipe your face. Pat it. And you see, nice and clean. Now we are going to start with the mango shea butter. It also is infused with almond oil, vitamin E inside of there, and shea butter. See how I'm wiping my face? You can also get this product inside of my store. That's regular cocoa butter. Put that right on your lips. Now that vitamin C I've added, it has vitamin E in there also. Put that oil right on your face. Mix it right on in, give you that glow. And you are off for the rest of your day. Always around, up and down. I invite you all to my YouTube channel and all of my social media links. If you have any suggestions, questions, or concerns, let's work together. I love to answer them as I move on into my journey to wellness and health. Thank you.